Hey H&K fans, James here with a quick Workbench Wednesday. Today I want to go over the P7 series pistol. As we know, these are a gas retarded delayed blowback operated pistol, and they use the gas from a fired cartridge in order to lock that slide in position when the round is fired. It's the only pistol that I'm aware of where the 8-step cycle of operation has the locking step after firing instead of before firing. Okay, and the way they do that is there's a hole in the bottom of the barrel that corresponds with a hole in the bottom of the receiver, and it diverts the gas that's in that chamber area behind the bullets being fired down into a space. As you can see, there's a opening here below the barrel in the receiver, and that's where the gas cylinder itself fits. Obviously, there's another corresponding hole here. The gas cylinder works in concert with the gas piston, which is attached to the front of the slide. And the gas piston fits inside the gas cylinder, and it's the diameter of the rings on the gas piston that correspond with the diameter of the gas cylinder itself. And when fitted together, this creates this seal. So the weapon is fired, the gas is diverted down into the gas cylinder, and it now pushes up against the piston. The seal is tight, and it locks the slide into position until the bullets left the barrel, and then the gas pressure is equalized. That resistance is overcome because now the rest of the gas can go out the opening in the front of the barrel, and now the slide can go back and forth as the gas piston itself runs in and out of the gas cylinder. Now, the problem and the point of this video is I get these guns that come in for service all the time on the Workbench. I always do a full inspection on them. And what I see quite often are owners who, in their attempt to properly clean the gas piston and get at the carbon that builds up in between the rings, they'll get way too aggressive and they'll use something like a brass bristle brush or a stainless steel brush, and they'll end up wearing down the gas piston rings themselves to the point where they're no longer the same circumference or diameter that they should be to create that proper seal. Okay, so what I use is the H&K Piston Go No-Go gauge, and it's designed to inspect the proper sizing of these gas piston rings. So I should be able to take the piston, place it in the opening at the end, and it should not be able to go past that red line, and that tells me that this one's still good to go. What I often see though, with again, owners who are way too aggressive on here, is I insert a piston and it'll go beyond the red line. In fact, this one, every single one of the rings has been worn down to the point where this is no longer creating the proper seal with the gas cylinder. And what you'll have there is immediate and violent recoil or overfunction. The weapon is no longer being delayed. It's a simple blowback gun at that point. So the point of the video is to be very, very careful when you're cleaning the gas piston to not use anything abrasive that will degrade the actual piston rings themselves. Hope that was helpful. Take care, guys.